Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you guys are well. This is lesson number 19 and I really am happy at the comments and messages that you guys have been sending in about this series. If you guys have any sort of questions, anything at all, please put them in the comments below. And if you guys want me to add anything in, take anything away, please let me know, because your messages mean a lot to me, so that I can improve these videos and ultimately people around the world can benefit and understand how to read the Quran, inshallah. So without any further delay, let's start. Da. So everyone say it with me. Da. So your tongue behind the back of your teeth. Da. Right, next one. D. Again. D. Tongue, back of teeth. D. Okay, next one. Do. So have a go again. Do. So da, open mouth. Da and D and do. Da, D, do. Right, next one. Ta. Now this sounds different from the da. Da, a bit more bass, heavy. Da, like a thumping sound. And ta, bit like a T. Ta. So have a go. Ta. T. Have a go. T. Do. Have a go. Do. So da, open mouth. Da. T, widen your mouth. T, sideways. And then tu, round. Tu. Ta. Ti. Tu. Okay, next one then. Saw. So mouth again, open mouth. Saw. Have a go. Saw. Say it with me. Saw. Excellent. See. Have a go. See. And su. Have a go. Su. So saw, see, su. Excellent. Very good. Right, next one. So sa. Have a go. Sa. So now the previous one was saw. The tongue a bit heavier, make it a bit fat. Saw, like you're talking like a man. Saw. And sa, lighter. Sa. Si. Again, si is you're talking like a man, heavy voice. Si. And this is si. And su. Okay, have a go. Su. So different from su. Excellent. Very good. Right, next one. Za. Now this is za, like Z. Za. So say za. Like electric kind of sound. Zzz. If you know those electric shavers. Zzz. So z. Za. And z. So have a go. Z. Excellent. Zoo. Like the zoo. You go to the zoo. Zoo. So say zoo. Now notice, it's not su. Sa. This is zoo. Excellent. Okay, next one now. The. Put your tongue between your teeth and you say the. Okay, so say it with me. The. Excellent. The. Excellent. Have a go. The. All right. and dhu, dhu, dhu. Have a go. Dhu, dhu. Okay, let's do another one then. The. Now, difference between the, and this is the. So slightly, the previous one like a heavy voice, the, and this is the. Just like we had the difference between sa and sa, heavy voice and a bit light. So the. Have a go. The. So this is more similar to za, but between your teeth. The. Have a go. Dhu. Have a go. Dhu. Excellent. You guys are doing very well. Okay, let's have another go then. Tha. So again, tongue between the teeth. Tha. Excellent. Fi. Have a go. Fi. Brilliant. And thu. Excellent. And that's done. Excellent. Alhamdulillah. Now, if you want to have a go again, play it back, have a go again, practice it again as much as you can. The main thing is try and recognize and try and pronounce as well. All right. So today we covered the letters that we covered today. I'll just bring it up here to show you guys what we've covered. So these are the letters that we covered today. So you can look at all of these. These are the ones that we covered. So now we've actually covered all the entire alphabet again. So there's one where I drew them all out, and this is the second time with printed versions of it now. So you guys can have a go at this. So I'll give you a little test here. So have a go at this one. What is this? Pronounce it yourselves. Have a go. Think about it. How would you pronounce this? If you can't remember, go back, watch it again, and then come back to this. So the answer is D. Excellent. Right, let's have a go at another one. Right, how would you pronounce this? Right, what is this? How would you pronounce it? So da. Okay, and let's have a go at another one then. Right, this one here. Again, have a go at yourselves. Remember, if you can't remember, go back and watch it again. Do. Alright, let's have another go then. Have a go at this one. How would you pronounce this? The. Okay, let's have a go at another one. Alright, so have a go at this. Sa. Excellent. Right, let's have a go at another one. V. Alright, are you guys getting it with me? Excellent. Have a go at this one then. Dhu. Brilliant. Let's have a go at another one then. Tha. Excellent. Right, let's do one more. Have a go at this one then. Da. Okay, so I hope you guys have benefited from this, and inshallah the next videos are going to be using double vowels. So now this is a new thing. We haven't discussed this before, but now we're going to be using double vowels, inshallah. So if you have found this lesson beneficial, useful, please give me a like, spread it with your friends, share it with everyone, forward it to other people so they can learn as well how to read the Quran. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you enjoy this channel, please consider about becoming a patron for helping and supporting this channel. With your support, whatever you give, whether it's $1, $2, $3, whatever you guys want to give, you can give it. I'll leave the comments in the description. What will happen with your donations, inshallah, is that I will be able to make more videos and more people around the world will be able to benefit. And the greatest thing is that you will be reaping the rewards of everyone who watches these videos and learns how to read the Quran and many other things as well. So, Jazakumullah khair, and I hope and I pray to Allah that Allah gives you the ability to be able to read the Quran beautifully. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.